This is the Uniden R8W. Today we're gonna find out if it's worth it or a complete waste of money. Because in America, about 100,000 speeding tickets are handed out every single day. And just one of those tickets can cost you hundreds of dollars, plus your insurance premiums are gonna go way up. So if this thing works, it could pay for itself real quick. It's said to have some of the longest detection range out of any radar detector on the market right now. So today we're putting that claim to the test with some real world driving and real cops to see how legit this thing really is and if it actually does everything it claims to do. Normally, I hate installing shit onto my truck because it always takes way longer than expected. But in this case, all you get is the main unit, this power cord, and a suction cup mount. I don't see how this could take more than like 5 minutes. See how fast we can install this thing. Timer starts now. Total time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. I'm pretty sure if you have zero mechanical experience, you can still get this thing done. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10 for installation. As soon as you plug this thing in, already scanning for radar. This unit picks up a broad range of different alerts, but as we start driving here, we're gonna get into all of them and explain what each of them mean. Over speed? It's telling me I'm speeding right now, look at that. Wait, what is that? 500 feet? Oh shit! Speed limit photo enforced. We got a speed camera and it's telling us how many feet that freaking thing is away. 40 feet, 30 feet. Yo, where is the camera though? Oh, it's right there, look at that. Yeah, they got the radar right freaking there, dude. Here in Florida, the camera tickets are super freaking expensive. Even with just this alert, not even including the radar and everything like that, that alone could actually pay for itself. Oh shit! We got a K-band, they're a cop. Let's see if there's a cop up here somewhere. Oh! All right, we got K-band popping up now. Hey, look, he's right over there, bro. The cop is right over there. Don't do it! Oh! So this one's picking up that camera right there. It's saying it's straight ahead, and as you guys can see, there's a camera on top of the traffic light right there. K-band is one of those warnings that is not always police. Ka-band or the laser is the two that you really need to watch out for. Almost 100% gonna be a cop checking out the speed. We're getting a lot of K-band right now because we're in the city and there's lots of different stuff going on. Something really convenient about this is you can just hit this button right here. You hit mute. And as soon as we get back onto the highway, you just hit that button again, and now you're ready to capture the real threats. They're acting pretty nonchalant, pretty suspicious, man. I'm pretty sure they're undercovers. The other one that this detects is called X-band. Probably won't see because it's kind of like an outdated radar system that most cops don't use anymore, but it's still capable of picking that up. Kind of feels good to just drive free, you know? Let's go! Whoa! Pop's freaking right there in the express lane. See him? There it is! Oh shit, it's gone! Ka-band. So anytime Ka-band pops up, that's when you really need to pay attention because there's a cop and you know what to do. Hey guys, let's recap this thing real quick. So install was super freaking easy. It captured the speed cameras in the school zone and it even picked up the Ka-band on the highway from super far away. This thing did exactly what it was supposed to do. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below for you guys if you wanna check this thing out. Between the speeding tickets and the speeding camera tickets, I think this thing will actually pay for itself pretty damn quick. I'm not telling anyone to go out and drive like an idiot, but if you like driving free on the open road, this thing's your friend.